In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create delivery note in Zoho Books. A delivery note, called a delivery challan in Zoho Books, is the document that accompanies your shipment so the recipient can confirm exactly what was sent. It's not a bill, think of it as a clear record of items and quantities delivered, which you can turn into an invoice once the delivery is confirmed. Start by logging in to your Zoho Books account so you are working in the right organization. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Sales. This section houses your quotes, invoices, and, importantly for today, your delivery notes. Next, find Delivery Challan in the Sales section. If you don't see it listed, it simply means the module isn't enabled yet. Open Settings, go to Modules and enable Delivery Challan. Once it's on, return to Sales and you'll see it available. This quick setup ensures you can create and track delivery notes like any other sales document. Now, click the plus new button to create a new delivery note. Zoho Books will open a fresh form. Begin by selecting the customer. Choosing an existing customer will automatically pull in saved details like billing or shipping addresses, which helps prevent typos and speeds up data entry. Then, set the delivery date to reflect when the goods are being sent or handed over. Accurate dates help your team and your customer match the delivery to the right order later. Move down to Item Details. Add each product or service you are delivering and enter the quantity for each line. If your items are already in your catalog, searching by name or SKU will keep things consistent and reduce mistakes. Take a moment to double-check units and quantities, especially if partial shipments are common in your workflow. If you use internal notes or customer references, you can add them here so anyone reviewing the document understands the context. When everything looks correct, save the document. Saving creates a clear record of what left your warehouse or was handed to the customer. If you are still confirming a few details, saving as a draft is fine. You can finalize it later without losing your work. Once the customer confirms receipt, convert the delivery note to an invoice. Open the delivery note and use the Convert to Invoice option. Zoho Books will carry over the customer, items, and quantities, which reduces rework and keeps your billing aligned with what was actually delivered. Review the generated invoice, make any necessary adjustments, and you are ready to send it when appropriate. That's it. Thanks for watching.